Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to auto-cut clips in CapCut. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing to and liking the video. Here we are in CapCut. Auto-cutting is really convenient because it's going to automatically cut for you, and you can then go and add in transitions, and you can then go and choose the parts you want, and you can easily go and remove the parts you don't want. So, make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip ahead, otherwise you may miss an important part of this video. To get started, add the media to your timeline. So, I've got this here. Now, what you need to do is you want to go and find it to the clip you want to do it with and go and right-click on it. You'll get a list of options, and you need to go and find the option for split scenes, like so. Now, it's going to go and do it. Now, the longer the clip is, the longer that process will take. Mine was only short, so it didn't take long at all. Now you're going to go and see it's gone and split the different scenes. And so what I can then do is go and delete a scene easily by selecting it and pressing back. Or I could go and put in a transition, alternatively, as